Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing Presentations.AI. Presentations.AI is AI software that you can use to make awesome looking PowerPoint presentations from prompts, YouTube videos, from importing your existing PowerPoint presentations and just making them look better. You can import Word documents and so on. I've been using Presentations.AI for a little while now for various presentations that I've used, and I found it super simple to use, and it really creates a really nice presentation that you can export to PowerPoint, or you can export as a PDF, and you can use that for presentation purposes, or you can actually present inside of Presentations.AI, which I really like, and you can edit what you've done as well. So if you don't like what the AI has done, you can go in and you can change what it's done. But let's actually have a look at Presentations.AI to see how you can use it. So you can come and log in over here. Once you've logged in, you have three ways to start creating presentations. You can start with a prompt, you can import a document, video, or an external link, or you could import your current PowerPoint presentations to make what you've already done just look really nice. So I'm going to start for this example with importing a YouTube video that I've created, my previous YouTube video that I created. Just a note, I think you get 500 credits free or 1,000 credits free when you first sign up, but then you will need to actually purchase additional credits. I have done this because I think this software is really great and I've been using it a lot. So let's come to import the document. We're going to enter a URL, and I'm just going to paste the YouTube link from my previous video and click import. It's now going to process the link, so it's actually going to go fetch the content and put it inside the PowerPoint presentation for us. Now that it's fetched the presentation for us, we can now select how many slides we wanted it to create. So we can leave it on auto, which means that it'll create as many slides as it needs to cover all the content. Or you can actually change that if you wanted less slides. If this was just going to be a one-page summary of the whole video or a couple of pages, you can actually go and select that, and that'll obviously change how the AI creates the content in the presentation. So for the brand options, you can choose your own color or your own font, and you can change the language, of course. Or you can come in here and you can enter a URL, which will go to that URL. It'll have a look at the branding on that URL and the colors and everything that you've used. And then it'll apply that to your presentation. So you can apply sites like Google or PayPal or Slack or so on like that, but you can also search for your site individually. So for this, I'm actually just going to choose Slack. And what we can see here is that it's added the colors and the fonts and so on, and we can say create presentation. So now it's actually going to go and get the content and put it into a presentation for us. So we can see here, it's already started developing some of the pages. So we can see the first pages come up here, which is overview of AI SEO tool creation. So this video, if you haven't seen it, is a video where I create an SEO tool for analyzing pages and then using AI to give you suggestions on how to improve that page, and also giving you suggestions on how to improve the title and meta descriptions of those pages that you can just copy out of there and paste it in. I created this using AI in 3 days. So if you haven't seen that, go check that video out. But let's have a look at what Presentations.AI have actually done for us here. So we can say start editing, and we can see that it's got a title page and it's put some information here and so on. Okay, so we might not like this branding, we might not like the template that it's used, so we can actually come to the right hand side here and we can choose a different template to use and to adjust and to apply our content. So let's say we like this agency template over here. It's going to go in and apply this template to all of our pages. But then we might say we don't actually like this color. This is very dark. So we can come into our themes, and again, we can change the colors. So we can say we want a lighter theme, blues, reds, whatever matches your branding, you can go and choose. So I think this green works really nicely for us. We can say choose that, and then we can go and we can change the content on any of the pages as well, of course. So we can say, look here, and we can say this had condensed the video into introduction to the AI tool, features of the AI tool, SEO analysis process, content analysis, developing the process, building the app with Cursor AI, and so on. This is pretty much exactly the steps that I followed in that previous video, and it has got everything from there and put it into one slide, which is fantastic. And we did it all in 2 minutes. We can see here it's added some additional information and so on. So what we can see is it's created quite a nice presentation for us. To view this presentation, we can actually play. There's a little play button in the corner here. We can press play, which will present. It'll give us a little introduction screen. And then it shows us all the animations through the pages that it creates. So we can use this presentation in actually presenting to someone. We don't have to present through PowerPoint. We can present directly through here. So we can have this screen on display in a meeting, and we can go through, and it'll animate each of the slides very nicely and add all the content going down. And obviously we can just go through each page. There's the features of the AI app, the SEO app that I created. And this is very accurate. This is a very accurate representation of what is in that previous video. So it has really done a very good job in 5 minutes of creating this. Whether you use this presentation as it is, or whether you use it as a step to creating your final presentation, this is really speeds up that process for you and allows you to very quickly make very attractive, nicely formatted presentations in a third of the time that you would if I was creating this. So to be honest, for myself, I wouldn't be able to create this nice looking presentation in PowerPoint because my PowerPoint skills just aren't very good. And if yours aren't very good, this is a great tool. So I highly recommend using this. Try out the free version. It's fantastic. And obviously, if you want more out of it, there's a paid version. I will leave a link in the description. It's not an affiliate link or anything. I'm not affiliated with this company in any way. It's just software that I find really, really useful. If you're really enjoying the content, please subscribe. I put content out here weekly, and it's all on digital marketing and AI. I have a series where I'm actually creating tools using AI completely to build all the code for digital marketing tools. And I'm trying to create a new one every 1 or 2 weeks and publish it here. My latest one, which is the AI SEO tool, is already live. You can go and view that. You can actually use that tool yourself. So subscribe to the channel if you want to keep up with all those updates. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments section, or you can join the Discord, which is also in the description. But let me carry on with the features of this. So we just used it for creating a presentation from a link, but there's obviously more to Presentations AI that you can do. If you don't know what your presentation is going to be, or how you should actually outline your presentation, you can start by just prompting. It'll create a presentation for you, and then you can go and edit it so you can refine it down to exactly your needs. But you could just say, so we can put in a prompt and we can just submit that prompt. You can upload supporting documents, you can input a URL, and again, you can choose how many slides you want it to be. So once it's gone that, what it's going to do is it's going to start building out some content for each of the slides. And this is before it's actually creating the slides. So what we're going to see here is the content, and we can obviously change this content. We can say we don't want some of it, and we do, we don't like this page, or we don't need this page, for example. And here is where you can go and refine that. So we can see it's given us an introduction. It's given us some environmental benefits of electric taxis. It's given us cost implication for taxi operators and so on. So we can say, okay, let's keep all of this. If you did need to change this, you could just add something to these description blocks, or you could change them as needed. So to give the AI a better understanding of what it needs to build. And then just say create presentations, just like we did before. Now it's going to take all this information, just like it took our link, and it's going to put all this information into a presentation for us. We obviously haven't given it any star guides yet, so it'll just use the default star guide, but it'll still design it in a really nice way. So just like that, let's play this presentation without editing it anymore to have a look what it's done for us. So okay, it's added the logo in, and it's added a little graphical presentation for us. It's got the introduction slide that we saw. It gives us introduction to electric vehicles in the taxi industry, and a bunch of points here. If we need to go and change these images or these texts, we can go and change that in Presentation.AI. We can just, these are editable blocks. So you can just click on them and write something, and it'll change it. So that's it, Presentations.AI. I highly recommend it if you are doing lots of presentations, or if you're just doing a few presentations but you really need them to look good. I would recommend using this. It saves you a ton of time, a ton of effort, and also still just allows you to obviously update it as you need it. If the AI has completely messed up and given you the wrong numbers or something like that, you can just export this to PowerPoint, which is pretty simple. You can just come here and you can say share and export, and you can download your presentation as a PowerPoint. You can download it as PDF, or you can download it as images as well. Or you can actually just share a link to this presentation in this view. So if we have a look at what that looks like on the other side when someone receives it. So you can share the link to your presentation with someone, and this is what they will receive. So this is what they will view when they receive it, and they can actually just start the presentation. It'll open the presentation up really nicely in this view, and they can go and flick through the slides if they wanted to. Thanks for watching. All the links I've mentioned in this video are in the description. I have also placed a PDF that I got Presentations.AI to create about this video in the description as well. So you can go and download that PDF, and you can actually view a presentation on this exact video and how the AI built that. I won't make any changes to it whatsoever. I'll leave it exactly as it is created, so you can actually see if it's made any mistakes or anything like that. And please subscribe to my channel. I do put content out weekly. As I say, I put content out on AI and digital marketing. I review lots of AI software, and I also create my own software for digital marketing purposes that uses AI.